Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create free AI videos using Google Flow. First, open your web browser and go to Google Flow. Once the website opens, sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. After signing in, you'll see the Google Flow dashboard. Now click New Project or the Create button to start a new AI video project. On the left side, you'll see the prompt section where you can describe the video you want to create. In the prompt box, enter a detailed description of your scene. For example prompt: a cute animated orange character standing in a colorful fruit market, cinematic lighting, Pixar-style animation, highly detailed, 4K quality. After entering your prompt, check the settings below. Choose your preferred video quality and duration if those options are available. Now click the Generate button. Google Flow will start creating your AI video. This may take a few moments depending on how detailed your prompt is. When the video is ready, you'll see preview results on your screen. You can compare different versions and choose the one you like best. In this example, Google Flow creates a colorful animated fruit character with smooth motion and great detail. The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated video usually looks. Once you're happy with the result, click the Download button to save the video to your device. And that's it! You've successfully created an AI-generated video using Google Flow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.